Hello, and welcome to our latest video vlog, the 3 tips that'll help you during your due diligence process. My name is Will Dyer, and I'm the Chief Investment Officer at Bay Mountain Capital. So the due diligence process is the time between when you get a property under contract and your earnest money goes hard. Generally, it can last anywhere from a week to 30 days depending upon the size of the actual asset. And it allows you time to inspect the asset and make sure that you're making an informative buy before actually having any money go hard. The due diligence process is a very important part of the real estate investing process. It allows you to get a property under contract without fear of losing the property while you do your research and make an informed decision on the purchase of that project. Without the due diligence process, and with the amount of capital that's involved in real estate investing, it would be a high-risk situation. The 3 main tips that I always tell my real estate investors is, first and foremost, know your market. Second is know your own personal capabilities. And third, know your timeline. Time kills all deals. So know your market. What do I mean? Understand what sells in your market. Understand what the buyers inside that market are looking for. The last thing you want to do is to overbuild a project that you can't sell or get the money that you spent back out of it. Know your capabilities. Understand what you're getting into and what you're capable of. If this is your first flip, look for something that's, an easy cosmetic. Paint, new carpet, new flooring, new appliances. Don't go into your first flip trying to move walls or add square footage. Understand your capabilities. Know your timeline. At the end of the day, time kills all deals. And understand what it takes to do the type of scope of work that you're trying to accomplish with your fix and flip. At the end of the day, you want to make sure that it's done in a timely manner so that you can get it back on the market and sold quickly, thus not having the carry costs month after month. Thanks for taking the time to watch our latest video blog. And please be on the lookout for future blogs coming to you soon from Bay Mountain Capital. And if there's an area that you'd like us to discuss in one of our next blogs, please feel free to reach out and let us know.